So this video is going to explain about knit one, purl one ribbing. And now that you know how to do the purl stitch, you can alternate the knit stitch and the purl stitch while you're knitting to create a new kind of fabric, and this is called ribbing. This is often the kind of stuff that it's used on cuffs and on the very bottom of a garment to give it a little bit of extra squeeze. So if you look carefully at, maybe the t-shirt that you're wearing, if it's got long sleeves, around the cuff is going to be this special kind of fabric called ribbing. You can see it's very stretchy. It's very stretchy, and it looks the same on both sides. It looks the same on both sides. And the way it's done is this. The first stitch we knit. Then you move your yarn from the back to the front, and then you purl. And then you move your yarn to the back, and you knit. So when you knit, you go front to back, around the back and in between. Give that little pull through the window, slide off your old stitch. Then you move your yarn from back to front and purl this stitch. Back to front, wrap around in between, give that little pull, go backwards through the window, slide off your stitch, move your yarn, front to back, around the back and in between, give that little pull, through the window, slide it off, move your yarn, back to front, around in between, go backwards through the window, slide it off, front to back, wrap your yarn around the back needle only, through the window, slide it off, move your yarn, back to front, around the front needle only, through the window, slide it off, move your yarn, front to back, around the back and in between, through the window, slide it off, move your yarn, back to front, around the front needle only, through the window backwards, and slide off your stitch, back to, move your yarn to the back, and knit, move your yarn to the front, and purl. Now for you knitting nerds out there, it goes a whole lot faster if you learn to knit continental, because watch how fast I can go this way. It's much faster to change my yarn from back to front if I'm holding my yarn in my left hand. So if you're casting on for a hat, you want to do a few inches of this at the bottom of a hat, and it will make the hat stay nice and warm around your ears. Knit one, purl one. Looks the same on both sides and super stretchy.